Hey guys, it's Linux User 10 here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to boot Xubuntu 10.10 from your Apple iPad, iPod Touch, or iPhone. Okay, so what you're obviously going to need right off the bat is an iPad, or an iPhone, or an iPod Touch. It does have to be jailbroken, so just saying that. Once you have it jailbroken, come back to this video if it's not jailbroken already. What you're going to need to get is an app from Cydia, and it's called USB Drive. This is not in one of the default sources from Cydia, so you're going to have to add the source. I'll put the source down in the description. But what this lets you do is it lets you create virtual disks of USB memory or drive space on your device. You just have to click create disk, and then it'll guide you through the process of making one. And you have to also set it to be drive only, otherwise this won't work because your computer won't recognize it as a USB memory storage device. Once you have all this stuff set up, we'll go back to computer, and you're going to need to get the ISO file for Xubuntu 10.10, and I have the Xubuntu website up here. It's xubuntu.org, as you can see, and you'll click on Get Xubuntu, and you'll want to go down to 10.10 Maverick Meerkat because it's the latest stable release, and you're gonna click on whichever mirror you need for the country that you're in, and it'll bring you to this page. Then you'll just click on the link that goes with your PC and download the file. I already have the file, so I'm just going to click cancel now. Once you have the file, you're going to need to open up a program in Ubuntu. By the way, I'm doing this on Ubuntu 11.04 beta 1. I don't know how to do this on Windows or Mac, so I don't know how to do it. But this is just for Ubuntu. You're going to need to open up the app Startup Disk Creator. And it'll bring you this. You just have to put the Xubuntu ISO file right up there where it says CD drive/image, and then now once you have that there, you're gonna go ahead and plug in your iPad, iPhone, or iPod Touch with your USB storage disk already made through USB drive. Once you plug it in, just plug mine in. It'll show up on your desktop as a file system, and by default it'll be down here. Once you have that down there, you're just going to go ahead and click Make Startup Disk. I already have it made on my iPad, so now I'm just going to click Close. Now's the part where we get to actually boot the system. What we're going to do is you're going to have to restart your system, and while it's loading up the boot menu, before it loads up the boot menu, you have to click on a certain key to open up the one-time boot menu. And on compact computers, that key is Escape, and on Dell it is F12. I'm not sure what it is for other computers, but that's what I know. Make sure your iPad, iPhone, or iPod Touch is still plugged in at this point also. So we're going to click Restart. Wait for it to power down here. Come back up. press escape. It says loading boot menu. And here we are. You're going to want to go down to soft tick. Just enter. It'll come up with the language menu, English, and then try Xubuntu without installing. This, by the way, will work with any Linux distribution that has a live ISO, live CD. But it'll just start booting up, and I'll come back in speaking after this is done. Like I said, this will take a while. And here we go. We have the Xubuntu 10.10 desktop that just got up. And as you can see, we have our basic Xubuntu desktop up, and the internet works, everything works. And we'll click on web browser just to show you what it's like here. This will load up Mozilla Firefox. And we'll go to YouTube. And yeah, so that's how it works. Remember to rate, comment, subscribe, check out my channel. I'll see you guys later. Bye.